Okay. Yes. Yeah. Haha, just asking you a question. Whatever, man. Like he wants to be a policeman. He wants to be police. It might be a little boring being just watching the border. Right, got 7.7 gallons. You want to know what's kind of interesting about the parking formation of all these cops here at the library is that I think they're parking on the other side facing away, straight ahead too, like heading all in this one direction is in their best interest. Look at that, they'll park the constable will park right on the sidewalk. This isn't a very busy city anyway. Okay. What could be going on? So this isn't like sheriffs. This isn't local police. This is constable of the Webb County. Constables, they got several different ones. Operation Stone Garden, purchased with funds provided by... Oh, that's a canine. So there's a dog in here? So I might not find a place to sit.
Little girls, come back over here.
What's the event? Do you know what the event is?
Santa Claus for the kids.
Oh, okay. Huh. All right. Santa Claus for the kids. All right. I think I could just leave. If it could be off the road a little bit, that'd be nice. The picnic areas tend to be tight up against the road. It's a little tempting. It's a little off the road. I'm very interested, actually. I'll fly the... Hey! Oh, it's over here! Oh my God! Whoa! I thought I would have a better turn. That was too tight. Oh, there better not be any other cars. Oh, here we go. Oh! Alright. Wow, there was a car. I backed up. They usually tend to be pretty tight against the road, but this is off the road pretty nicely. I like this.
Turn right on US 83.
Oh, I don't need you. Oh, there's a river below. Yeah. Wow. So, I don't know. I'll pull right up, and I think I want to pull out the drone. And yeah. The accent is pretty strong. I didn't quite catch that. So, okay, so I'm hearing Solisar, So it's SLSA.
SOL like this.
Okay, that your spelling is kind of strong too. Let me just get that spelling correct. S-O-L-I-S. Solis. Like the sun? Solis?
Sure, you wanna call it that?
Is that the
Yeah, SOL.
okay, Solis. Okay.
Yes,
and then the other guy is okay. That sounds like Guerra, like G-U-E-R-R-A. Okay, that sounds good. Okay. Yeah, I'm the owner of this car, so when you check that, it'd be Heinz. Oh, what? Yeah, who isn't?
Nice. What do you do? Bikes and stuff?
What?
Bikes and stuff? Oh, nice.
Bikes?
I'm guessing like go out and stuff, or go out and just explore?
Just whatever. I mean, it's open to the public to check out.
No, I'm sure to make conversation.
Yeah, it's public. No, public, and it's whatever. So I don't think that that person probably didn't take a close look at my car. Maybe
of
they,
course. I'm just gonna check out what's going on.
when they called on my car, they probably was from a distance.
Yeah.
If they got close enough, they may have seen that and then checked that on the internet or whatever.
Of course.
But
make sure things are right with you, man.
make sure I'm not parked too close to a fire hydrant.
No.
Is it
or
yeah?
Nah, you're good.
Is there one in the town somewhere?
Yeah, there's should be several.
Or parked too close to whatever this. I know this is the water department.
Yes, sir. That's the one.
And they might have some sensitive. So some sensitive work or whatever with the water. But I mean, I didn't see any warning signs.
No, you're fine. It was just the fact that there was a vehicle that's been parked here. They were just curious about it. But no, you're right, sir. If you can, just park more on the side just to get you off the road a bit more. That'd be it, okay? That's all I can ask about you for a day. Just to avoid anybody hitting you or anything.
You think I'm too close to the center?
Yes, well, maybe just a little bit.
All right.
Until you move over to the side. That's about it.
All right, because I was trying to is that the regulation? I wasn't sure. I was trying to figure out how busy is the street and.
Yeah, well, I just said it's dark really, so in case somebody does miss you by any chance, just to avoid you getting harmed to your vehicle.
Yeah, and it's like 25 miles an hour.
I want to say it's 30.
30.
It might be 30 here, yes, sir.
Okay. Is that? You think that's it? Move off to the side?
Yeah, that'll be it. Just that way you're off the road.
I mean, because I could move into the parking lot, I suppose. It's private. It's private.
Safety more than anything, man. Just so you don't get hit by anybody that just not paying attention or whatever.
Yeah, I mean, it's private property. It's just I was a little concerned about that. I know if I was parked on the main road, I'd be there's no way I could park like this.
Yeah, for sure.
And safety wise, I mean, I was concerned about parking on the grass.
Well, that's fine. That's probably better just because you're literally off the road and no one can really get to you or anything. You know what I mean?
That's the boundary. Yeah, okay.
And that's about it, man. You just do that and we'll be on our way, man. Just make sure you're okay. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Alright, it's a little work, but I think I'm gonna grind up some coffee here. Make some grind and boil quickly. It's a beautiful view. I don't know what river that is. Can't be the Rio Grande. It says it's about the same size though. Well, I was sure that the border patrol over here was gonna bother me while I was flying my drone, but they left me alone. I had this out just in case there's an interaction. All right, to soften the grip a little bit, I put some of this, I don't know why I can't think of it, the name of it. I put some of this twine on. I'm gonna put more on the center, just kind of decorate it too. It kind of breaks up the appearance. So if you want to take a walk down this way, you gotta watch out for all the dog poop. It's disguised as rocks. And I'll just admit, I did not see this trail until after I flew the drone. I might have walked down here before I flew it, maybe. This is pretty neat. You see the river a little bit closer, whatever river that is. I mean, the Border Patrol isn't exactly a sign that I'm on the Rio Grande. They focus on the roads, the first road closest to the border, and that can be a few miles away. It's a green, quite a green river. Right, on further examination, this is the Rio Grande. I flew my drone over it. I checked out some buildings over there a little bit. It's pretty cool. It should have been the, well, Rio Grande. I don't know what other. So that's why, okay, that's why the Border Patrol guy is there then. It's a little picnic area. Since there's so much dang dog poop around here, before I step in my car, inspect, and that's not always good enough. Okay, seems okay, both shoes. So I set the GoPro Hero 8 cover right there, and I was wondering how I lost it because it just disappeared. And I go back to this video, and you can see it slid right off when I made a sudden stop. I made a sudden stop, and I was looking all over for it inside this car, and then I realized I may have captured that loss on the video, so I found it up front more, which I didn't look close enough. Are you open tomorrow or what?
Sir, we're not open till the 2nd.
To the 2nd of January?
Yeah, the
Okay.
whole county, that's the courthouse also, yeah.
Oh, okay. Even the city hall and
Yeah, our county.
till the 2nd? Okay.
Yes, I'm sorry, our county are real good to us, they really are, they always.
Are you, what do you mean they're good to who?
They run us, the county does,
They're good?
they're good to us, yes.
As in like for vacation time?
Right, and stuff like that, yeah.
Okay.
They do these at the first of the year, they pick the times we get off, so
Yeah.
we.
Okay.
All righty.
Yeah, all
You
right.
have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Phil.
Okay. So that lady was talking about how generous the county leaders are. Here's the letter. In the spirit, the county commissioners allow all offices to be closed. She said until the 2nd of January. For a long time. What are these dogs doing? Looks like they're in an enclosed area. How'd they get in there? Are they guard dogs? No, they can't. There's an open gate. I'm just gonna go take a look at these little dogs. Oh my god, they're running for their lives. Okay. No big deal. Not sure if Badia has a lot of business sense making a resealable bag for such a tiny, for like just a handful of pumpkin seeds. You don't exactly need a resealable bag for that. Right, cleaning out the car. I do not want to carry these little things anymore. This is a rare spot where I get everything I pretty much need. Good Wi-Fi connection overnight. Bathrooms. I can even wash my clothes I'm washing my clothes at the laundromat over there. grocery store over there, and the bathroom is open and available over there. Bathroom over there, somewhat isolated, so I can get a little exercise in. It's a great spot right here. All right, so I'm drying some clothes. It's 3 minutes for 25 cents. That's the worst deal I've ever seen. And then check this out. Somebody stole the box. That's a theft. I'm a winter Texan. The library welcomes the winter Texans, which really give me the impression that sleeping overnight around here is not a problem. What's that called again? Well, that's tamarind is so strong. I have it soak in the coffee. It's so strong that it instantly curdles the milk. And it was strong to the taste, that's why I put milk in. But it's strong enough to curdle the milk instantly. This is Bravo Park, Precinct 3. And, you know, in politics, if Google Maps could get more involved in politics by showing us where the precincts are, showing us where the gerrymandering places are, when you're voting for a particular elected official, where are they located? What area are they covering? If you could like look at a map and easily see that, that might change politics. That might make it a little easier to understand who's running for what, to cover what areas.